In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Notification and Status Bar. From here, you need to scroll down again and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Phone Manager. All notifications from this app are now disabled. You can enable them by tapping on the same switcher again. You can also just click on one of those apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!